Borada, and welcome back to the InstaSim channel. And again, back onto Ratchet Clank. I'm sure you will all be introduced to this thingy-majiggy soon, if not already. And I will discuss it in a different video. But Ratchet Clank is not the video to do that. But I'll introduce you guys to this nice little contraption. In a vlog, probably. Eventually. Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. So, I don't know. I'll think of it. Hey, Ratchet & Clank, that's our priority today. Loading game, and let's load it into this. I like it though. It's really nice. It's more convenient than having a stand on the desk. So with the PlayStation 2, it's not too much of a problem, to be perfectly honest. But I also got Skype on my tablet, which I shouldn't be using, to be perfectly honest, because I'm recording. But there we go. Right, there's no more crates. You telling me that? Oh no, I have to do this again. I'll skip most of it then. I thought I could skip it. I'm actually gonna skip it actually. Yeah, I'll skip it. Right, I'll actually I'll just record from here now, because this is quite close to where I was before, which is the problem. So, I'm not actually bothered about getting all the bolts this time on this specific planet at the moment, because we've already basically collected all the bolts, so I'm not really fussed about getting them. So I'm going to miss out quite a few bolts. Anyway, I know I've already missed quite a lot anyway. I'm not going to miss that one. Just go swim underneath this thing. Right. Now, luckily, I don't actually have to open the doors again, which is pretty cool, so I don't actually need to what do you call it? I don't really need to. I have to open this door though. Wow. Right. Just open the door. Probably because of these things here. I have to kill the enemies because they're not going to make it easy for me, are they? If I've died or restarted the level or whatever. I thought that it would give me a teleporter though. It's kind of weird that it didn't, to be perfectly honest. Probably because I didn't go far enough to get the teleporter, but there we go. Doesn't matter right now. Hasn't really taken too much time. Sorry about that, by the way. I was just pretty much bringing my laptop up at that point. So. Go. Go! Get up. Get up. It's a bit annoying I have to open doors. Well, that door anyway, because I didn't have to open any of the others, which is okay, I suppose. But I've skipped most of the level now, so I'm almost at the end. It only took me about, what, like 10 minutes to skip the level, so. But I mean, if it's 20-minute videos, then I need 10 minutes to get the boss battle done, don't I? I also need more ammo before I go, so. Now before I go to the boss battle, I'll need to make sure that opens. But I'll make sure it opens in a minute. And I'll just rate the boss battle first. I'm going to rate this one at... the first one was 1, because that's so easy anyway. I'm rating this one at 4, I think. Because it is not entirely too easy, but it's still quite easy to do. I mean, you could do it without losing any health, so which is pretty easy. And you can pretty much do it in one go, so really it's not really much of a threat. So I want to make sure that door opens. I want you to open so I can get more ammo. Oh well, I'm just gonna go cut to the cutscene then.
Well, well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No, but it will be soon.
Now, being the stupidity person that I am, I completely forgot to press the record button for the mic. So the mic during the entire boss battle segment is muted because of my stupidity. Now you can still hear the boss battle and you can hear the everything that's actually happening in the game, except that you'll see me talking, but you won't hear me talking because I forgot to press unmute on the mic. This was not intentional. I didn't try to do this. I just forgot to press unmute because after the cutscene, I'm not sure why I forgot to press unmute. I just did. So you won't be hearing me talking, but there is a funny bit at the end. If you have a look at the face cam at the end, you'll see a absolutely gut-wrenched, noticing face at the end. So enjoy the boss battle still, but you will just not have anything of me talking. But you'll be able to see me talk, so you can probably make out what I'm trying to say. Though that might be quite difficult, so sorry about that. I didn't really want to re-record the boss battle, so yeah, so I kind of have to resort to just putting some more commentary over it. So sorry about this. This is the only way I can think of fixing it. Sorry again. So enjoy the boss battle. Still, just enjoy the boss battle. Damn it. I have not been recording my voice for that entire boss battle. You know what? Just forget about it. Forget about the fact that I forgot to do that. I'm keeping this video as it is. I'm not doing that again. I forgot to record the audio of my own voice during that boss battle. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I've said so much things during that boss battle and now I've forgotten them. And I wasn't even recording my voice. Bravo. Bravo. Anyway, what I was saying was, you know those hicks in the boss battle? I'll try to do post commentary, I don't know. Nah, I'll just keep it as it is, cause I don't know. I'll try and discuss like things during the boss battle. But sorry about the not audio thingy-majiggy. No audio during the boss battle. I'm terribly sorry about that. I was actually planning on talking, but that was a failure. I actually wanted to talk during that boss battle.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are direct ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Now I know there's a cutscene after we land, so I'm not actually going to put my face cam on. I'm terribly sorry that I didn't put the audio on. I'm really sorry about that, people. About the no audio. I might just add some things in, like some post commentary later. Now I'm going to have to cut off my audio again because there's another cutscene, so bye bye.
Add attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap? Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Yeah, so let me just get the face cam back up. Perfect. Now, I'm still really sorry about no audio in the beginning of the video. Well, not the beginning of the video, but in that boss battle. So, I don't know how I'll get it. I'll do post-commentary then, just because I really want to. Now, the fourth weapon is actually in here now. And it is this one. 10,000 bolts, 23,000 bolts. We're gonna get more bolts before we get that weapon. Now it may seem weird. Oh my god, you're so far away from 50,000 bolts, but we're also very far away from the end of the game. So 50,000 bolts. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, and that weapon, 10,000 bolts. What about the fifth weapon? What is it? And how much is it? It's gonna be a lot cheaper than you think. Cause we need to get some sort of very rare substance before we get that one, so we can actually get it cheaper, which is awesome. And I'm still really sorry about no audio. I'm gonna get all the bolts over here, which is just around like this. Okay, I'll go back on it, and we don't have to go around it this time because there's no more bolts at the end other than. I don't think there's any more bolts at all. Well, actually there are, but not at the very end. The bombs are what I don't like about this. But what I do like is that going down actually makes you go faster, and going up makes you go slower. I think this is the only game in the series that does that. I don't know why they stopped doing it like that, because that was actually a really good, a good feature, because it's actually very realistic like that. So when you go up, you slow down. When you go down, you speed up. I'm gonna go around this as well to get the bolts. And because of the audio in.
Halt! Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous. Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
We are gonna need that, so we're gonna buy it, so yeah. Let's go ahead.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Oh, if they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this, Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Right, there we go. Again, I've actually put the audio on this time. Yay! Again, I've put the audio on. I'm never gonna forget that. Stupidity. You see, we've gone down from 23 grand to 21 grand. Oh, God. Ah! Oh, I forgot about them. These suck. That actually sounds very wrong, but there we go. Right, you can... I was actually not planning on getting that, but there we go. Perfect. And the other one as well. Bubs. Okay. Be blasted. Ow. We got the bolts. I don't care about this thing blowing up because I am not going to go that way for a second. Because I am going to get this first. Now then, you may think, oh, it's a secret room. Well, yes, it is a secret room. However, it doesn't hold the secret that you think. It only holds a bunch of bolts. So, where's the gold bolt of the level? Let's see, shall we? Well, it is around here. The first gold bolt of the level is actually around here somewhere. But where is it? Well, it is actually around here, the first one of the level. And I'll take you to it now. Because it is up there. No, yeah, I don't think it's up there actually. I think it's on the... yeah, it's on the other side, sorry. Yeah, it is on the other side. But how do you get to it? Let's see, shall we? Just get these enemies first and get the bolts. Ow. Just get the bolts. Well, here you can wall jump. At first I actually thought it would be in there. Well, not as in when I was younger at first, obviously. But it's actually up there on the roof. Now we still have a few more gold bolts to get. Have we gotten them all on Umbrus? I think we have. So there is one more gold bolt on this level. I think there's one anyway. Don't know if there's two. I know there's one. But I cannot remember if there's two. So that's not going to be a very good weapon, is it? That thing even wasn't even a weapon, it was a trespasser, which is a gadget. Ah, that's I think that was anything you guys wanted to see, to be honest. Two seconds. Okay. Go, get out of my way. I don't like those mini drags. Not on this planet anyway. On the first planet when they arrived, I think it was... what planet was it when they first... I can't remember the first planet they were on actually. Which one was it? Ow. You see? That's why I don't like them. Because they hide. They just jump out of nowhere and kill you. What was the first planet they arrived on? Ah, damn it, I forgot to go back there anyway, so I need to go. And the stupidest thing about these, you can't kill them when they're on the ground. It's really annoying, those things. What was the first planet they were on again? I forgot what the first planet of them were. It was... I'm trying to think which planet it was. Because on the first planet they came on, they're not much of a threat, but... Well, they are, but you know, they're not as much of a threat as they are now. Because they're so annoying now, because they hide. No. Ah, you see? They hide from you when you get close to them. In order for you to kill them, you have to get far away from them. And by the time you get far away from them, they've killed you, basically. Or they've gotten rid of some of your health. You see, I'm on 1 health. It's... not really that fair of enemies, to be honest. At least I wish they didn't actually hide. If they just tried to kill you, that would be okay. Because that's kind of what the enemies are supposed to do anyway. But, you know. The tanks are not a threat either, at all.
Against tough enemies. You can purchase one from the Gadgetron vendor on this road.
Because that's kind of all they do, they can just kill them. It's quite easy to kill those tanks. It's easier to kill the tanks than it is to kill the Drex. The Drex are probably the hardest enemies to kill. Which kind of makes sense because the Drex boss battle at the end of the game is extremely difficult. And I'm not exaggerating when I say extremely difficult. I'm not exaggerating when I say extremely difficult. It really is that difficult. The second boss battle, the second gold bolt of the level is this way. I have this weird itch in my ear, and it's really annoying me. Almost fell. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. I have 2 health, that's awesome. Because I'm gonna need 2 health if I'm gonna beat those Drex. I really hate them so much. And I have to go all the way down again. They do actually come back on another planet, the Drex. They come back on the frozen planet. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's Hoven. They're even more annoying on that planet. Alright, I'm just gonna cheat here because I cannot be bothered to kill these things. Ow. No. And the lack of checkpoint in this game has defeated me again. And I'm at 30 minutes. I didn't actually notice. I wasn't looking at the time. Which means it's the end of the episode, which is... I suppose I don't really care. But you guys probably care, but I'm going to carry on in this game anyway, and that actually amplifies my voice by putting my finger in my ear, which is really weird. That was actually kind of weird. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this episode of Ratchet Clank. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. If you also like the videos more with this thingy-majig, I'm going to use it anyway. But let me know in the comments if you do like using this, and I will introduce you to this. Probably it's going to be before this video anyway, but I'm recording this video before doing the introduction of it. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Twitch, and as always, I will see you all in the next video. But until then, goodbye.